case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a noteworthy case in 2003, the United States District Court for the Eastern District of Pennsylvania was called upon to determine responsibility for an environmental cleanup at the Metal Bank Superfund Site in Philadelphia. The contentious issue hinged on the Comprehensive Environmental Response, Compensation and Liability Act, CERCLA, a law governing cleanup of polluted sites. The drama unfolded when the U.S. government took the initiative to sue several parties, prominently including the Metal Bank defendants, aiming to recoup response costs and remediation efforts related to the polluted site. Central to the dispute was the hazardous substances found contaminating the soil, a significant portion of which were PCBs. Throwing an additional spanner in the works, Metal Bank defendants charged the city of Philadelphia with discharging waste carrying hazardous material into the site. Another point of contention arose when Monsanto, recognized for its use of PCBs before they came under regulation, found itself targeted in the litigation. The city, however, strenuously advocated against bearing responsibility for the high cleanup costs incurred by the United States. The court undertook to scrutinize the facts of the case, dissecting the positions of both plaintiff and defendants. Additionally, they took a close look at potential third-party liability and the legitimacy of claims made by both sides. In a decisive verdict ruling, the court deemed the defendants to be jointly liable for response costs. This decision also paved the way for the defendants to seek contribution to these costs from third parties. Interestingly enough, Monsanto emerged from the legal wrangle successfully, with the court granting them a win in their summary judgment. Thus, they escaped bearing any liability for the cleanup. Though the court did move to eliminate the counterclaims seeking contribution from the city of Philadelphia, this doesn't necessarily absolve the city from all responsibility. Future court proceedings may yet decide to assign them a portion of liability for the environmental conundrum.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.